Today we'll break down Terry SalsAlianza social dancing. We'll break down the steps so you can practice at home alone, no partner needed. Terry starts with cross-body lead, front, side, open, clearing the line, and then anchor to the back, and a back basic, back on 6, and a side basic on 2. With the right, since they are dancing on 2. And then a swap. He steps to the side instead of stepping to the back, and continues cross to the front, back on the line, and now a cross-body lead. Stepping to the front, side, open to the back. Notice that he's clearing the line only on 2, and then continues to switch places and anchor to the side. It helps him to create tension so he can pull his partner for the swap. He then ends with a hook turn. Hook to the back, on the line, and rotate. Now watch it again and notice the styling. He crosses with his left on 6, this is the styling, instead of stepping to the back. Then he continues to the hook turn and straight away he starts a single right turn. Notice, stepping in place, spinning to the right, and a side basic. And then a cross-body lead, holding 6-7, opening to the back on 1, clearing the line, and switching places. And now with the music. And you can practice all these steps on 1 or on 2 in the free 30-day course. Still here? Scroll down to day 31 for the ultimate practice. See you there.